Hello, love everyone, and happy 4th of July here in the United States. That's why I'm standing by the flag. And also, look what I got. It is a love letter I got from Australia. Oh my gosh, I smell perfume. Oh, that's why I'm hiding outside. What Polynesian princess sent me a letter? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I gotta hide it from my wife in case it's something special. Oh, it smells so good. Hey, but before we do that, I'm gonna wait till it gets dark a little bit because Scylla wants to show you her lighting one of the fireworks, and then we're open the letter. All right, let's wait for Silhouette, and until then, let's watch a few words from our sponsors. Let's get started. I got a little jug of water in case we catch the grass on fire. What do you think?
Happy 4th of July.
What?
Happy 4th of July.
So we're doing, which one's this one called?
A snow cone.
The snow cone. So as you can see, it's not super dark out yet. The sun's just going down. But we don't want to wait. The lighting on this is not too good. So she's going to set it on there. I put my my top to my fire pit there. So hopefully we won't catch the grass on fire too much. And then we're going to light... let her light one of these punks, I think they're called. All right, I'm gonna light this punk for her, hopefully. These are the little sticks they always give you at. Hold it there till it lights. You can blow on it a little bit if you want. You put it on the fuse and blow while it's on the fuse. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I dropped my shoes. Let's see. Oh, it's getting pretty high. It's pretty. Yeah, we don't really get the big giant ones that could land on other people's houses or anything. Oh my goodness. Ah, I was a little too close. Oh. Oh, wait. What? I hate that when they shock you and they're still going and you think they're done. I've got the water jug ready though, just in case I need it. Oh, here comes some more. Happy 4th of July, everyone. What a great day. We get 4th of July, and I get to open that love letter. Ah! Jesus! Oh, I gotta close my eyes so I don't get popped in the eye with these stupid things. Okay, be done. I'm gonna back up a little bit more. Oh, is it done? Oh, thank goodness. All right, let's go open that letter now. So as you can see, I came in the room, but this is from Australia. It costs $13.50 in Australian dollars. I'm just covering up my own address so I don't get too much fan mail. Let's see what we got here. Let me open up. Oh, it's a card. Oh my goodness, it's a card. Let's see. What is that? Oh, it looks like money. Oh my gosh, it is Australian money. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, you can see through it. What the heck? I have never held Australian money, even though I do know the Queen of England, it looks like there. So, I'll be darned. Thank you so much. I can't wait to read the card. But speaking of money, you know, I got recently my YouTube paycheck. It was $150. I gave away $150. I'm sorry, I'm just enjoying this bill while I talk. So I gave away $50 at the Polyfest. it was to a family where the mom was telling a kid, we can't get 3 platters. Dad hasn't worked this week. And I felt so bad that I turned around and walked back and gave them a $50 bill. And the mom did not want to take it, but I kind of made her take it. Wow, this is so cool. I made her take it, and then I asked her if she could be on camera, and she says, can we please not be on camera? My husband would not be happy if I spent this money on food, which just choked me up. So I did not put them on camera, but I still have $100 left, and I'm going to give away $50 to 2 lucky people, and I'm going to show you how we're going to pick those people right now. So let's do that, then I'll come back and see who this money is from. Okay. All right, what I've done here is I looked up all the PolyTubers that had their super thanks button activated, which is a little heart with a dollar sign. It says thanks. We have Sal's and Lane. We have Easy Eats with Elnez. We have Meals with Mills. We have the Uelesi family. We have the Puli family out west, and we have, hey, it's Tara. So I'm gonna get some scissors and just cut up little slips and like put it in a bag or a jar or something and randomly pick out 2 people. Let's see who's gonna win those 2 $50 bills coming their way. Well, I can't really hold it above my head, so let's just grab a couple. All right, who do we get? Let's see who we got. Oh, Easy E with Elnez. Easy Eats. That's good because he can use this $50 to help his new business. And the other one was, the Puli family out west. So we've got the 4 people that did not win. And don't worry, next time I do this, I'll just use these 4 people. We don't want the same people to win every time. So let's go online, and I'll show you at least with one of them what it looks like when you give someone a donation and what you get to see on your side of the screen. All right, let's go. You know, on second thought, though, I don't want to show you what happens after you give the donation because I want to save that for you if you ever do it. You'll see the little special show that it puts on for you. So I am paused now on Easy Eats with Elnez. So basically what I'm going to do is right below the video, like, dislike, share, download, and then thanks. It has a little heart. You click on that. And then what you're going to see is a little box. This is where you can write whatever you want. As you can see, you can write whatever you want. I'm just going to write, congratulations, you won. And to see how you won, tune into my video or something like that, or why you won. So here, if you give $2, it will highlight your whole, your money in like a teal or bluish color. If you do $5, it's green. If you do $10, it's yellow, and the whole comment is highlighted too. And then if you do 50, which is the highest you can do, it'll highlight your whole thing in pink. So I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to show you what happens if I click it because it's going to take me to my credit card information or my bank card. So basically, after you select one, write in your comment, and then you hit buy and send. Oh, I can show you the next screen. So it says complete your purchase. It shows that you did the $50. And then it says buy there, and once you do that, then it'll charge your card. And right here where you add payment method, you can put different bank cards or different modes of the way that you want to pay. All right, and I'm actually gonna do this like, I would say 30 seconds before I post my video. So right after you see this video, you can go to Elnez's channel or Puli family's channel, and you will see the donation there. All right, now let's get back to the video. They both find their $50 and they're on their videos real soon. I think that was super fun. I know it's not really fair. I was just kind of lazy, not wanting to drive around and find someone to give it to, so just doing it online. But those 2 channels deserve some help. You know, Elnez for his business, and the Puli family, well, we just all love them and we want to support them. So, but anyway, let's get back to the card. So it's a thank you card. It says thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. I don't want to see what it's from yet. Let's see what it says. It was written on June 6th. So it's, Oh my gosh, it took quite a while to get here, almost a month. It says Talofa TSTP family. Here is your first Aussie $5 note. LOL. So blessed to find friendship in you. Thanks for the love and support. I'm hoping this finds you well, and we'll see you on the next video. Smiley face. And it says it comes from Sydney, Australia. Let's see what it is. Drum roll. Oh my gosh, it's cup of tea. Oh, thank you, sister. That is so sweet of you. It is so nice that one of the smaller PolyTubers did this. Oh my gosh, you'd think, you know, that people that don't have many subscribers would be the last ones to do this, but that is so special. Thank you so much, T. We sure appreciate it. We love your channel, and we hope you much success in the future. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Let me show you me for a second. So I'm in the room. I've got my glasses on. I'm getting ready to go outside and light a fire. I love doing that at nighttime. Yes, this is my little corner of my bedroom. There's my hat, my army hat, and some awards I got long time ago back in the military. So thank you so much. We love each and every one of you. God bless. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're not already. And until next time, you know what? Mwah. Peace. Woo, we got the unicorn now. Let's get ready to run for our lives. This one should be smaller. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. We love each and every one of you. God bless. And we'll see you next time. If we don't, peace. See, I keep moving back. Peace out. Love all of you. Bye.